Okay, hello, Po.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so how was the birthday? How was the
Uh,
birthday?
um, mm, mm,
How was the birthday, Po? Did you have fun?
uh,
Was
Cái
it
câu hỏi
great?
là how was your birthday? Uh, mm, uh, 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 mm, it's very happy.
Oh, okay, very good. It's very happy. Okay, so let's have a review, okay? Are you ready for the class?
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, so let's start with this one. Where is the picture?
It's uh, mm,
Okay, you can
uh,
use these words. Where is the picture?
it's on
Okay, it's on.
on the wall.
Okay, very good. It's on the wall. Okay, very good. So how about this one? Where is the book?
It's uh on the on the wall.
Oh, on the wall? What do you call this one?
Uh, uh, uh,
Drawer?
mm,
Where is the book? It's on
on the board,
the where?
on the way,
On the drawer. Drawer. This is drawer.
on the drawer,
Okay. How
on the
about this
drawer,
one? Where is the bag?
uh, uh, on,
Okay. Where? On?
uh, mm, uh, anh không biết.
On the
Mm,
floor. Okay,
on the
again.
floor,
Okay, where is the bag?
it's on the
Floor.
floor,
Okay, it's on where? Where is the bag?
it's on the cloud,
Floor. Floor.
floor, floor,
Okay, how about this one? Where is the pencil?
it's in the table,
Okay, very good. It's in the table. How about this pencil? Where is this pencil?
in the on the table.
Okay, very good. On the table. Again, where is the bag?
bag
Where is the bag?
is on the clothes.
On the floor.
On the floor.
Okay, floor. Floor.
sàn
Floor. Sanya.
Floor.
Okay.
Floor.
So where is
Floor.
the bag?
Is on the floor.
Very good. So how about the clock? Where is the clock?
Is on the uh mm, mm,
It's on.
mm,
Okay, let's try using this one. Okay.
okay.
It.
Where is the bag? The bag is on the bag.
Okay, it's on
The,
the bag. It's on the bag. It's
the
on.
bag. The bag is in the bag.
Okay, in means inside. In. Okay, in the bag.
Okay. The bag is under the bag.
Okay, so the bat is under. Okay, the bat is under the bag. Okay, so we are done with that. So let's move on for our next lesson. This is
We are family.
okay, very good. We are family. So who's this? Who's this?
Is is the my grandfather.
Okay, who? We are talking about person, so that is grandfather. Okay, wait a
And
minute. Yes, and
grandfather and grandmother.
okay, very good. Grandfather and grandmother. Okay, so can you wait for a minute? Teacher Kai will drink water. Okay, wait.
Okay. Okay. Còn teacher đang drink water. Trên tụi xem tí. Teacher đang drink water đó. Teacher. Nhưng mà teacher đang drink water. Khi nào teacher xong thì em tắt. Rồi.
Okay, hello, I'm back. So let's continue
Hello
with.
teacher.
Okay,
Hello, teacher.
so let's have this one. Who is this? Who's this?
Is a who's this grandfather? This is my grandfather.
Okay, this one. Who's this?
Who's this grandmother? This is my grandmother.
Okay, grandmother. How about this one? Who's this?
Who's this father? This is my father.
Okay, this is my father. This one, who's this?
Who's this mother? This is my mother.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Who's this?
Sister, this is my sister.
Okay, sister. How about this one?
Who's this brother? This is my brother.
Okay, this is my brother. So can you answer this one? Who's this?
This is my father.
Okay, this is my father. Okay, so what is the name of your father? What is the name of your father?
Me,
Yes, you.
Lộc.
Long. Okay. So how about this one? Who's this?
Mm, uh, mm, uh, mm, uh, mm, mm. This is my sister.
Okay, this is my sister. Do you have a sister book?
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Do you have a sister?
No,
No. Oh, so how about this one? Can you tell me who is this?
mother. This is my mother.
Okay, this one.
Is grandmother.
Okay, can you say this is?
Grandmother.
How about this one?
This is my mother.
Oh, mother, are you sure?
I don't know. This is my sister.
Okay, this is my sister. How about this one?
Oh, this is my father.
Okay, this one.
This is my brother.
Very good. How about this?
This is my grandfather.
Okay, this is my grandfather. How many brothers do you have? How many
Yes,
brothers do you have? How
yes.
many? How many?
One.
Ah, no. Okay. So, how about this one? Who's this? Can you read?
This is my father.
Fathers.
Father's father.
This is my.
He is my father's father.
Okay, so what do you call that person? The father of your father. Who is that?
What?
What do you call your father's father? Your father has a father. Who is that? What do you call your father's father?
Bạn gọi ông nội của mình là gì?
What do you call that?
Ờ, ông ơi,
Ông ơi?
tiếng Anh á.
It's
Ủa,
your
nó chả
grandfather. Grandfather. Father's father. Grandfather.
chẳng gọi ông ơi, thế gọi cái gì? Ủa, em luôn chả biết luôn. What?
What do you call your father's father?
Bạn gọi ông nội của mình là gì?
Ở đây là
Your father has a father.
Cha của bạn có một
chịu
người
gì
cha.
trời.
Okay, so that is your grandfather. Grandpa. That is your father.
Grandpa,
Okay, so
grand,
grandpa is your father's father. Grandpa.
father,
Okay.
grandpa.
Your grandpa
Bố.
is your father's father.
Ông nội của bạn là ông nội của bố bạn.
Yes,
Okay, so that is
Ông nội của bạn là ông nội của bố bạn.
grandpa.
okay, grandpa. So again, what do you call your father's father?
Is a grandpa.
Okay, it's the grandpa. Okay, grandfather.
Tiếng
How
Việt
about
hay tiếng Anh? Trời dốt.
how about your father's mother? What do you call that
So
one?
this is my father, mother. This is my grandpa.
Mother?
This is my this is my father, mother. Sao không hiểu? What?
So your father
Vậy bố của bạn
has a mother and father, right? Has mother and father.
có bố và mẹ.
Your dad has mother and father, right? That is your grandma
Yes,
and grandpa. That is your
yes,
grandma and grandpa. That is your daddy's mom and father. That is grandma and grandpa. Okay?
what?
Did you understand the Vietnamese translation?
Bạn không hiểu bản dịch tiếng Việt à?
Yes,
You don't understand this one?
yes, yes. No,
Okay.
no, 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 no,
Được
no.
rồi vậy.
So you don't get your mother.
Để bạn không Vậy là bạn không biết cha mẹ của cha bạn là ai à?
What?
Who is
No.
who is grandpa and grandma? Who is grandpa and grandma?
Ông bà là ai?
Who are them?
Ông bà là ai?
Okay, so
Ông bà là ai?
let's move on. Pooh.
Ê, teacher hỏi câu ngu.
Okay, let's read this one again. Who is this?
Who's this grandfather? Này teacher.
This one?
Mother.
Okay, and this one?
She is my sister.
Okay, sister. So let's go and ask this one. Who's this?
Who's this? It's a sister.
Okay, this one.
Little sister.
Okay, how about this one?
It's a mother. It's a father.
Okay, how about this one? Who's this?
It's a baby.
Okay, that is the baby. Okay, how about who is this? Who?
It's a grandfather.
Okay, how about this one?
This is my grandmother.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Who is this?
Who is a aunt?
Okay, that is mother. Okay, so again, who is this?
This is my grandfather.
This one.
This is my grandmother. And this is my sister. This is my father. And this is my mother. And this is my brother.
Okay, so that is family. So again, who are the people in your family? Who are the people in your family?
Uh, it's
It's
me.
who
It's
are,
seven.
okay, seven.
Seven.
So who are these people in your family?
It's seven.
Okay, who? Who are them?
It's me, brother, aunt, grandpa, grandma, father, and mother.
Okay, so what is the name of your brother?
Phong.
Okay, your, okay, can you say, my brother's name is,
Phong.
okay, you will say it. My brother's name, say
My
it.
name brother.
My brother's, my brother's
What?
name is, my brother's name is,
What?
okay, what is the name of your brother?
Name brother
Yes.
is a Phong.
Okay, you will say, my brother's name is Fom. Okay? My brother's name is Fom. Okay, say it. Say
My
it.
brother is named Phong.
Okay. How about your aunt? Aunt.
How many your aunt?
No. What is the name of your aunt?
Không có tên gì thì có gì tên là gì?
Name. What is the name?
Is is a chapel. Chapel.
Okay, say it. My aunt's name is?
Is a chapel.
You will say my aunt's name is what?
My aunt name is Wood.
Okay, how about your mom? What is the name of your mom?
My mom name is Linh.
Okay,
Linh.
very good, very good. How about your dad?
My dad name is Lộc. Lộc.
Okay, very good. How about your grandpa?
Is my grandpa name is Yên. Yên.
Okay, very good. How about your grandma?
My grandpa name is Hằng.
Grandma. Grandma. Ma.
Grandma. Ma. My grandma name is Hằng. Hằng.
Okay, very good. So again, how many people are there in your family?
Is 7.
Okay, 7. So what is the name of those people? Name. Name.
Name.
Yes.
Name. Name.
My
Name
brother.
people
Yes. My brother's name.
is my brother name is Phong.
Okay, very good. Who else? My father's name.
My father is named Lộc.
Okay, very good. Your mom.
My mom is named Linh.
Okay. Grandma.
My grandma is named Hằng.
Okay. Grandpa.
My grandpa is named Yên.
Okay. Brother.
My brother is named Phong. It's
Oh,
me named Phục.
okay. Very good. So give high five, teacher Kai. Give high five. Okay. So that's
Goodbye,
all.
teacher.
That's all for today. Goodbye, po.
Goodbye,